Guys, this is Mr. Joshua J, and I'm here today to show you my street lighting collection. So right, let's start off with the first one I bought off an enthusiast. This is a Philips MI26 side entry. Now on the top of this is plastic, so it's quite good. It's got a 35-watt lamp in. Yep, SOX lamp, low pressure sodium. It's got a clip on there, and a clip, that's how you lift it up to open it. Yeah, I quite like this one, you know. You see a lot of these on, like, metal poles. Now, right, that's the Philips MI26. Now, onto my one I was given for absolutely nothing. Right, this is the Phosco P225. Now, as some of my old subscribers can remember, a few years ago I did a video and this light is switching off at 12 AM midnight, and this is the very one here. See, it's got a 35 watts bulb in as well. Lamp. That is how you open up the bowl. It's got a Royal Thompson daylight cell. Recently fitted a plug onto it because when Wiltshire Council very kindly took this down for me, I emailed them and asked them, is it okay when you replace all the street lights with LED in the future, and I can have the street lights outside of my grandparents' house? It made me very sad if the lantern goes to scrapyard. Then, believe it or not, the council replied back to me saying, is that the one you want outside your house? So I replied back saying, yes, that's the one. Then they replied back to me saying, rather than waiting for all of them to replace with LED, that they were happy to arrange a replacement on this unit now. You know, I couldn't believe it, you know. The street light I've watched switch on and off for years, like ever since I've been a kid, you know. Wiltshire Council very kindly let me have. You know, just unbelievable, you know. I feel so honoured that they gave it to me. Yep, got a plug on it, so yep. I'll do videos on when I get in action, but I'm just showing them off. But see, with this one I sanded the top of it because while I was up on the column it had a lot of yellow on it. But see, I've sanded it down and look how much smooth it looks. Oh, sorry, got my hand on the speaker, I think. But yeah, been sanding it, and goodness me, look how nice it's come out. Still bits of yellow left on it, but that's perfect for me. So yeah, absolutely honoured to be having this one. Right, I'm going to show you one I bought recently off the street lighting engineer. And this is a Thorn Beta 5. Yep. Just pull it out a bit so you can see it. Oh, out you come. Yep. This is a Thorn Beta 5. Now, these are on a lot of concrete columns and metal columns. See, currently no plug on it, so someone with my granddad or whatever, I need to put a plug on it. It's got a mini photo cell on it, daylight sensor. Yeah, love them. Absolutely love these low pressure sodium street lights. Now, I'd love to get a big 135 watts SOX, but I'm afraid I think it'd be a bit too big for this flat seat clip. Yeah, all these street lights I got so far are residential based ones, like one used in a lot of housing estate areas. Yep, I've got a lamp in it already, so yep. Can't move anywhere because I've got a lamp in it, a 35 watt lamp. See, just you can see that inside. But yeah, absolutely delighted to be getting that one what was outside our grandparents' house. And to think I did a video, that one switching off a few years ago, and I had it in my own property. Unbelievable. Just, I can't thank Wiltshire Council enough for that. Okay, bye bye.